So hi there everybody, how you doing? Hope all well, hope all good, hope all great. This is Jasleen Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor and Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So a quick share, an idea actually, no thought share, no nothing because of throat issues and stuff, but I'm much better with the forced rest and stuff. So two, three ideas since it's like since I'm home in my private space and I look around and I see in our neighborhood the lighting has not been taken off. It feels good and great. And while I'm home, I'm just kind of checking around stuff here and there. So some ideas come to my mind, which I think are pretty kick-ass and luxury and premium ideas. So you could make use of those. So number one is trays and candles in trays or trays with candles and stuff. I think you already got it with the concept here, but the point is what kind of a tray is it going to be? So maybe a silver look tray or a nice golden tray, a tray with a mirror in it, which is fireproof for sure. On that, you place two elements, which is probably some flowers, small flowers, maybe artificial flowers or real flowers. Uh, you know, Actually, flowers, not their. I mean, not the petals and stuff, the flowers on the whole, the full complete flowers. And you place probably an assortment of a series of 4 to 8 or maybe 10 maximum assorted series of candles, or you could have probably big size, single size candles, tall and big, and small size, and light them up in the night with the flowers in it, and it looks really nice and stuff. If these are perfumed or aroma ones, they'll feel better, and with the fragrance and everything and the look and everything, you don't need to have the lights on and all that. And the number two is quite easy, but one has to work a little much for that because the idea is about three elements only. So it's like you get these uh, if you've been in a science class, those beacon, the tall tube kind of containers. So you have those, and in those you put a stick of leaves, beautiful leaves and stuff. You have to fetch that cutting from somewhere. If you want, you could add a little bit of oil to this, but oil is not required because you're going to have a diya on top. But to be on the safer side, you could. Not because the candle is going to kind of, not because the candle is going to melt and get into the water and stuff and all that, but because oil below it will keep the water look a little shinier and stuff. Okay, so on top you have a ready-made diya, which is a wax diya. So place the diya on the top and light it up. So if you have 5 to 7 look-alike tube-like containers, place those, put a laddi as they call it, or a stick of leaves and stuff, and on top place the wax candle and switch it on. So these look beautiful. You switch off the light, or even if you have the light on, you have a party happening at home, or you've got a get together happening at home, you can place this anywhere, but make sure that they stay away from areas which can catch fire and stuff. Okay, there are these two ideas, and many ideas are there actually on my social media page. One of them which I love the maximum is putting flowers in bottles and stuff, and you have probably nice thread around it or stuff, or you put a nice rubber band around it and stuff, or you just put like a ribbon around it, so it looks really good. So these are the ideas you could do. The world of creativity gives you a lot of ideas when you're off social media. Many of them are popular on social media as well, but these are the really amazing ideas. And my most favorite idea, which is the outstanding one, and I love doing that most of the time, is in a nice cutlass uh, bowl, put in some nice original flowers, full size flowers and stuff, and put in probably floating candles and stuff and light them up. These are very popular during Diwali, but people forget to use them during non-Diwali festival and stuff. If not that, even in a crystal nice bowl, you could have big size candles placed in different colors or maybe just one single color, and just light them up and put some nice flowers around them and stuff, and they look smashing and they look really good in upmarket and stuff. So do that. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com, justinkapani.im at gmail.com, and justinkapanioffice@gmail.com. So flowers like those are artificial flowers. So avoid using those because they are made of fabric and stuff, and fabric can catch fire. So not a very good idea to experiment and stuff. And place them anywhere. Trays can be easily placed at the center table or in your restroom, your living room, your TV area, even in your office space, even on your bedside and stuff and all. Okay, so take care and enjoy. And I'm sharing these ideas because you're going to feel good with the pollution and everything. The sun was very nice in the morning, but it's only 5:20, and it's getting gray. So, you know, not much can be done about the pollution, but we can do all these amazing ideas indoors to feel good and feel great and stuff. You don't have to go out anywhere. Just use aroma and perfume candles. If not that, you could just also on the flowers splash maybe some drops of oil, aroma oils and stuff, and it'll also help you relax and feel good and feel great, right? So love and luck and take care and have fun, have a blast. Take care, and thank you for writing, thank you for appreciations, and thank you for praying for me and stuff. I feel good, I feel great. Rest is human body, we got to keep pushing it, looking after it and stuff, and resting. So catch you more in person and stuff. But for now, enjoy and Hakuna Matata. Bye bye.